Greetings, I'm Brad Hosler.
And I'm Allie Hosler. We're the owners of DryTech Exteriors, Dayton, Ohio's premier roof repair experts. Navigating the complexities of roof repair can be daunting, but it's crucial to understand not just the how, but the why behind selecting the right roofing repair solutions and the importance of partnering with a reputable roofing company like DryTech Exteriors.
Roof repairs are not a one-size-fits-all scenario. The diversity in roofing issues means each problem requires a unique approach. That's where DryTech Exteriors shines. Whether it's a minor leak, missing shingles, or more significant damage, we're committed to providing the precise repair services your home or business needs. Trust us not to only address the current issues, but also to fortify your roof against future challenges.
How do we pinpoint the exact needs of your roof? Well, it all begins with our meticulous roof evaluation process. The moment you contact DryTech Exteriors, you'll be in touch with a welcoming and professional team member ready to listen to your concerns and schedule a free roof inspection. Our inspection is thorough, assessing every inch of your roof to ensure that we provide you with the most effective repair solutions tailored to your specific situation.
Roofing repair is an art and a science, demanding a high level of skill and attention to detail. It's not just about patching up a problem, it's about ensuring the longevity and integrity of your entire roofing system. A hasty or improper repair can lead to ongoing issues such as leaks, structural damage, and more extensive repairs down the line. That's why choosing a reliable roofing company staffed by seasoned professionals who adhere to the highest standards of quality is essential.
So why choose DryTech Exteriors for your roof repair needs? Our commitment to excellence sets us apart. Our team consists of experienced professionals dedicated to delivering top-notch repair services using only the best materials available. We adhere to stringent industry standards to ensure your repair is done right the first time. Our extensive warranties provide the peace of mind that your roof is in good hands and your investment is protected.
Our reputation in Dayton speaks for itself. DryTech Exteriors has been celebrated as the best of Dayton, a next-door neighborhood favorite on the Nextdoor app, and we're proud recipients of the Better Business Bureau Eclipse Integrity Torch Award. Our status as Owens Corning Platinum Preferred Contractors places us in the top tier of roofing professionals nationwide, recognized for our unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction, quality, and financial stability. Our plethora of 5-star reviews is a testament to our dedication to excellence in roofing.
In conclusion, effective roof repair by a dedicated team like DryTech Exteriors can extend the life of your roof, ensuring it continues to protect your home and enhance its value. Don't compromise on your roof's health. Choose DryTech Exteriors. Get in touch with our family-run business today for a free consultation and take the first step towards securing and revitalizing your roof.